Welcome to the English learning session about outdoor areas around the house. Today, we will learn important English words that describe the garden, yard, garage, driveway, fence, and gate. These words will help you talk about parts of your home outside. A garden is a piece of land next to or around your house where you grow flowers, vegetables, or other plants. Many people enjoy spending time in their garden planting and watering flowers. Gardens can be small or large, and they make your home more beautiful. A yard is the open area of land around a house, usually covered with grass. It can be in front or behind the house. In some places, a yard is where children play or where people can relax outside. A garage is a building or covered space next to the house where you park your car. You can also store tools or bicycles in the garage. It keeps your car safe from rain, sun, or snow. A driveway is a private road or path that leads from the street to your house or garage. You can park your car here temporarily, like before going into the garage. Driveways can be made of concrete, brick, or stones. A fence is a structure made of wood, metal, or other materials that surrounds a yard or garden. It marks the boundary of your property. A fence also provides privacy and keeps pets or children safe inside the yard. A gate is a movable barrier in a fence or wall. You can open and close it to enter or leave the garden or yard. Gates can have locks to keep the property secure. Other important outdoor areas include the lawn, which is a carefully cut grass area, the patio, a paved space next to the house for sitting or eating outside, and the pathway, a small walk or trail for going from one place to another. In a garden, you will find many plants. Plants are living things that grow in the soil. Flowers are the colorful parts of plants that often smell nice. Trees are large plants with a trunk and branches. There are many activities you can do outside. You can water the plants to help them grow. Mowing means cutting the grass on the lawn to keep it tidy. Sweeping is cleaning the driveway or patio to make everything neat. Let's practice using some of these words in sentences. You might say, I need to mow the lawn in the yard this weekend. Or, the gate in the fence is broken and needs repair. You can also say, she planted beautiful flowers in her garden near the patio. And park your car in the garage or on the driveway. We learned many words today about outdoor areas around the house. These include garden, yard, garage, driveway, fence, gate, lawn, and patio. Keep practicing these words and use them when you talk about your home outside.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.